Okay, children, in the last class we have seen about the previous class we have seen about the 6 tables. Now we are going to see the 7 tables. So in this table, first we can write the 7 tables. Complete the table they are given. So we can write the 7 tables. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, and 7 tens are 70. So they are given only up to 10. You can write 7 elevens are 77 and 7 twelves are 84. So till you can write the table. And in this book, page number 14, he has given the tables. You can complete the table by learning the tables. Now, exercise number 2.3, they are given, same page only, 2.3. So here they are given some of the sums. 3 into 7 equal to box. Then 6 into 7. Second sum, 6 into 7. And third sum, 9 into 7. So, if you know the tables, we can easily write the answer. 3 sevens are 21, 6 sevens are 42, 9 sevens are 63. Even if they given the 6 sevens are, you can know the 6 tables. So, you can see. But here in this 9 sevens, we are still going on to learn the 9 tables means, you can see the 7 nines are, that is 7 nines are 63. And now they are given the problem. A box contains fourth sum. They are given the problem. A box contains 7 pens. How many pens? A box means 1 box. 7 pens. How many pens are there in 5 boxes? How many pens are there in 5 boxes? So I said, yeah, box means 1 box. So number of pens in 1 box. So you have to write the statement. Number of pens in 1 box. How many pens are there? There are 7 pens. Number of pens in 5 boxes. 5 boxes. That is equal to 5, 7 into 5. That is equal to 35 pens. Okay. So like this you can write the statement. 7 5s are 35. Then fifth one. 1 week has 7 days. So you can write like this, 5 into 7. 1 week has 7 days. Calculate the number of days. Calculate the number of days in 1 week. So 1 week in Ketanga. 1 week how many days? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So you can write number of days in 1 week. That is equal to 7. 10 days. 10 weeks. This is the question. For 1 week, I gave you the 7 days. So, number of days in 1 week, 7. Number of days in 10 weeks. That is, you have to write 10 into 7. That is equal to 70. 70 days. Okay, so learn the tables properly so that easily you can understand. So they given the 7 tables, 8 tables, and also as the 9 tables. So now next we'll move on to the 8 tables. So they are given the picture also. So see a book and learn the tables with the pictures shown in the book. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is the 8th table. Complete the table also here they are given. So this is page number 15. So now we can write the 8 tables. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So while you are writing the table, spell it with the words. 8 fours are, so that it can easily memorize, 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 22, and 8 tens are 80. You can learn, I said till 12 you can learn. 11s are 88, 8 12s are 96. So like this you can write. Then they are given the exercise number 2.4. They are given the sums as it is they are given in the previous exercises. Exercise 2.4. Here they are given 8 into 4 equal to dash. Then second sum 8 into 6 is equal to dash. And third sum 8 into 10 is equal to dash. So now you know 8 fours are 32, 8 six are 48, 8 tens are 80. Then fourth one problem they are given, one packet contains 8 pencils. One packet contains 8 pencils. So how many pencils are there in 9 such packets? How many pencils are there? 9 such packets. So how many pencils are there? The same statement. One packet la 8 pencils are there. How many pencils are there in 9 such packets? So you can write number of pencils in one packet. How many pencil is there? That is 8. Number of pencils in how many packets? 9 packets. That is equal to 9 into 8. That's equal to 72 pencils. Okay. This is the sum. Then fifth one is the price of one ball. The price of one ball. One ball is rupees 10. Find the cost of 8 such balls. Find the cost of 8 such balls. So you have to write the same thing, cost of, you have to write cost because they are given the cost. You should not write number of. The price of one ball is rupees 10. Like that, the cost of, find the cost. So cost of one ball is equal to 10. Cost of how many balls they are asking? 8 such balls. 8 balls. That is equal to 8 into 10. 80 balls. Sorry, 80 rupees 80. Okay, so this is the answer. So like this, next we'll move on to the rupees 80. Nine tables. Okay. Now we'll write the 9 tables. Page number 15. Complete the 9th table they are given. Complete the 9th table. So they are given like this. The addition facts they are given. Okay. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to. Then 2 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to. 9 2s are 18. And then 3 9 is equal to 9 3s are 27. And 9 plus 9 plus 9, 4 9, that is equal to 9 into 4, that is 6. 2 3 4 5. 9 5s are 45. 5 and 6, that is equal to 9 6 are 54. So this dash they are given in page number 15. Then again 7 times 9, 3 4 5 6 7, that is equal to 9 7s are 63. Then 9 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 9 8s are, put the equals properly, 72. Then 9 times 9 9s are 81. Then 10 times that is equal to 9 10s are 90. So this is the table. So you can learn, I said, till 12. 9 11s are 99. 9 12s are 108. Because all the tables I have written up to 11 and 12 also. So like that you can write and learn the tables. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99, 9 12s are 108. Here in this exercise 2.5, page number 17. Okay. So in page number 17, they are given that number 9 into 3 equal to dash. Then second sum 9 6 are. The third sum 9 10s are. 9 3s are 27. 9 6 are 54. 9 10s are 90. Here the problem is a sports team. Fourth sum, they are given the problems. You have to write the statement. A sports team has 9 persons. Sports team has 9 persons. How many persons? How many persons will there be? Will there be in 9 teams? So same thing, how we are written the statement that here is a sports team or sports team the 9 persons. So number of persons in sports team in நான் என்ன சொன்னா one team in a sports team எவ்வளோ பேர் இருக்காங்க 9. How many persons will there be? 9 teams. Number of persons in 9 teams. Okay, 9 sports team. That is equal to 9 into 9 is equal to how many persons? 81 persons. Okay. Now the next one. Number of rods in a window is 9. So question itself they are given the statement like that. So first I'll write down the question. Number of rods in a window. Number of rods in a window. A window means one window. Remember that, children? A sports team. A window means only one. A window is 9. Find the number of rods. Find the number of rods in 7 windows. Okay. Now solution. So straight away you can write the statement. Number of rods in a window. So you can write number of rods in one window. How many rods are there? That is equal to 9. How many? Find the number of rods in 7 windows. அப்போ 7 விண்டோஸில் எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். நம்பர் ஆஃப் rods in 7 windows போடணும். நாட் விண்டோ. ஒன்றே ஒன்று தான் விண்டோன்னு வரும். அப்போது 7 9s are. It is equal to 63 rods. This is the answer. So this is about the 9 tables. Okay, so only 2 problems they are given. So learn these 9 tables, everything. Now the 10th table. So very easy 10. Everybody can say this 10 table. 5 tables is everything is easy one. Okay. So you can learn 10 tables. Page number 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sevens are 70. So ஒரு நம்பருக்கு ஒரு 0 ஆட் பண்ணால் போதும் in 10 tables. 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100, 10 11s are 110, 10 12s are 120. So 10 tables is very easy. The next one is exercise 2.6. In this you have to multiply the number by 10. Exercise 2.6, page number 18. So in this we have to multiply the number by 10, 100, 1000. 10, 100 and 1000. So கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பரை இதால் we have to multiply. So fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. So in this they are given the number. If you are multiplying the number by 10, we have to add 1 0. If you are multiplying by 100, we have to add 2 zeros. If you are multiplying by 1000, we have to add the 3 zeros. So here they are given 10 into 7 is equal to dash. Then 100 into 16 is equal to dash. Third one, 1000 into 9 is equal to 9000. Then fourth one, 10 into 696 is equal to. Then fifth one, 100 into 96 is equal to dash. 1000 into 6, that is equal to dash. So 10 into 7, so 7 ku 70 or 0. 100 into 16, you put 16. In hundreds ku 2 zeros, you can put 2 zeros. Then 1000 into 9, 9000 they are given. 10 into 696. So 696 is the number. If you multiply by the 10, the 1 0 is there, so you put 1 0. 100 into 96. So 100 ஆல் multiply பண்ணும்போது கொடுத்துருக்க நம்பர் வந்து multiply பண்ணுற number is 96 and add for 100 2 zeros 9600. 1000 into 6, the number is 6. 3 zeros for the 1000, 6000. Okay, so multiply by 10, hundreds, 1000 means what are the numbers they are given. You just put that 7 na 7 put 10 ku 1 0, numbers edit hundreds ku 2 0, thousands ku 3 0. Suppose if they are given the number 10 into 696, you write 696 போட்டுட்டு 1 0 க்கு 10 ஆல multiply பண்றதால 1 0 போடுங்க. Suppose if it is 100, you can multiply by 2 zeros. Now we will see the next one in the next class, children. Thank you.